Taste test. Look at this. Medium rare, perfectly cooked. Balance for today is a bone-in strip loin steak cooked in a cast iron skillet with garlic rice and boiled.
I'll be using sea salt to season my steak.
And a freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, first I'm gonna have to sear the sides of the steak. Okay, so that's perfect. So let's start cooking. This is one good thing about using cast iron skillet. You don't need oil in it. And you'll get a perfectly seared steak. To the other side. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Now I don't want to waste the steak's oil, so I'm going to throw in red onions inside. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, steak's now at a medium rare, so we'll take it out and let it rest. Our onions are ready. Garlic rice turn. I'm going to put oil and butter mix. In goes our garlic. And rice. Now I am going to season our garlic rice with Samyang ramen seasoning powder. This is how it looks like. Rice first. In goes our steak. Together with our onions. There's our broccoli. It's my steak and onions and garlic fried rice with broccoli inside. Perfect.